So moving on further with our discussion on subject verb agreement, here are some rules which I have written. Children, if you see these words, neither, either, any, none, each and every, okay, if they are alone, like a neither, not neither, nor, or either, or, okay, if you see these words, only no, one neither is present or either is present, okay, where they represent for two things, right? Two subjects will be there. So if they are present only in singular, means if they are present alone in the sentence, you have to take them as singular. Okay, similarly, any and none, we use them for more than two things. Okay, they represent more than two things, but we take them as singular. With them, singular form of verb we will use. Similarly, for each and every also, it will be the singular form of verb that will be used. You will understand this better when we do some examples. Now children, along with neither, if you see neither, nor, either, or, okay, and if you see not only, okay, for this and for not only, then the subject will be the one which is near to our verb. Okay, so in case you see neither, nor, or either, or you see not only, okay, in the sentence, then you have to decide for the which form you will use, the subject which will be near to the verb. According to that, you will decide whether you have to use is or are, was or were. Okay, similarly, if and is there in a sentence and it is connecting many subjects, okay, so in that case all the subjects will be taken into consideration and obviously it will come to plural. Okay, now moving on further, here are some sentences using which you will decide what form you have to use. Will it be is, am or are? So just read the first sentence and try to answer. You, he and I, what should come here? Will it be is or am or are? There. Yes. So just try to recall what I said. I told that whenever and you will see in a sentence and it is joining many subjects, okay, and is joining you, he and I. So in that case we will take all the subjects into consideration. Okay, so you, he and I, so there are three people involved. So which form, which one we will be using? Will it be is? No, because it is for singular. Okay, it will not be am also because that will come only along with I. Okay, so here it will be are. So our correct answer here is are. So we have to take all the three into consideration when in a sentence you see and. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Tell me, you, he or I? Yes, in this case, in the second sentence, what you have to do? Here it is you, he or I. Or is given. So what I said, if it is or, not only, okay, and if you see nor, neither nor is written. So in that case, subject will be the one which is near to the verb, and according to that we have to decide. So what is our subject? Which subject we will consider? It will be I. So along with I, what comes? It comes am. So our correct answer here will be am. You, he or I am, okay, there. So like this the sentence will be. We have to take this one which is near to the verb. Okay, you, he or I am there. Now in the next sentence, what we will do? Here the two words which we have to see is either, and along with that or has come. So as I said, in this case also our subject will be the one which is near to the verb. Okay, so which one it will be? He or I? Either and or has come, either or. Okay, so here we will take he or I or both. No, we'll be taking the one which is near to the verb, that is I. So along with I, what will come? Am. So here our correct answer will be am. In the next question, he as well as I, is, am, are there. So what you will do in this case when there is as well as? For as well as, did I tell you any rule? No, I didn't tell till now. Okay. So, in this case, whenever you see that apart from whatever rule I mentioned earlier, you see any other words like as well as, or say you see the words like along with and not. Okay. So, in these cases, our subject will be the first subject. So, here he is the first subject. He as well as I. There are two subjects, right? He and I. So, he is our first subject. So, according to he, we will choose what should come here. So, he along with he, what should come is. So, here our answer will be he as well as I is there. Okay. We will do some more questions, then you will understand it in better way. So, here are some questions. You see, in the first sentence, he as well as I, as I said, I already discussed this, he as well as. So, for as well as, what we will see? We will see the first subject, and according to the first subject, we have to mark our answers. Okay. So, he is our first subject. So, along with he, what should come? Is. So, is will be the answer here. In the next sentence, not only he but also I, what will come? Is there, am there, or are there? So, what should come? With not only. With not only, yes. With not only also, I mentioned earlier in the rules that with not only, or with or, either or, neither nor, and not only, which will be our subject? Which one is going to be our subject? Subject will be the one which is near to the verb. So, here which subject is near to our verb? Yes, it is I. So, what will be the answer? Am is going to be the answer. So, not only he but also am there. That is your answer. Okay. Now, in the next one, he along with. So, along with is a kind of prepositional phrase. Here again, now this is another other condition, like apart from the rules which I mentioned, if you see this along with, and not, as well as. Okay. So, these no, in these type of sentences where we are using these words, which one will be our subject? First subject will be our subject, which we have to consider. Okay. So, along with he, what should come? He is. Okay. So, with he, it is always is which comes. So, we will take he along with his wife is there. Now, in the next case, he and his wife along with his children is, am, or are. What should come? Now, you see, in this case, what we see here, that and is also there, along with is also there. So, in these type of sentences, here we have to take the first one into consideration. We will go according to and. Okay, not with along with. Now, he and his wife. So, what will be? Whenever I told you that whenever in a sentence and is there and it is joining different subjects, so we will take all the subjects into consideration, right? So, he is also there, his wife is another subject, right? And children are also there. So, let it be. Anyways, he and his wife, it becomes plural. So, which form we are going to use? Are. So, here our answer will be are. He and his wife along with his children are there. Okay. Now, children, with each, every, any, none, remember that they are lifetime, they are singular. We will be using them in the singular form. Okay. So, here are some sentences which I have made. Each boy and each girl is, are present. What should come here? Will it be is or are? So, as I said, with each, with every, with any, and with none. If you see these words in the sentence, which form you will be used? You will be using the singular form. So, they are singular, they are taken as singular. So, here our answer will be is. Each boy and each girl is present. Try for the next one. What will be our answer? Every. We see the word every. So, with every men, women and children is or are present. Here one slash, this is the option. Okay. is or are present, what should come here? Yes. Here it will be. You can try on your own. Here again we see the word every is mentioned, right? So whenever we see each or when we see every, what we have to take, we will not think about this and now, because what has come first is every, right? So here this is again singular, so we have to use is. So what will be our answer? Is our correct answer. Every man, women and children is present. Okay. Now in the next one, each pen and each pencil, what will be our answer? Each has come, so again our answer will be is. Okay, it will be singular. Fine. I hope it is clear till here. Now with few more things I'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.